A cordless drill is an essential tool in any household, perfect for a wide range of tasks like assembling furniture, installing shelves, or even building a treehouse. It makes these projects easier and more efficient, saving you time and effort. We've done the research and found the best options for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is the DeWalt DC-D800B. This powerful and compact cordless drill is designed to tackle challenging projects with ease, offering up to 40% more unit watts out compared to the DCD791B when using the DCB205 battery or the DeWalt PowerStack battery. It's a robust choice for demanding tasks. One of the key features is its compact size. At only 6.4 inches long, it's half an inch shorter than the DCD791 model, allowing you to access hard-to-reach work areas with ease. This compact design is ideal for tight spaces and awkward angles, providing greater flexibility in your work. The high-speed transmission offers variable speed control with two settings: 0 to 650 RPM and 0 to 2000 RPM. This allows for precision and control whether you're performing delicate screw driving or high-speed drilling. The half-inch metal ratcheting chuck ensures high bit retention, keeping your drill bits securely in place during use. For added convenience, this drill features an adjustable 3-position, 3-mode LED light that delivers up to 70 lumens of brightness. This includes an LED spotlight mode with a 20-minute shutoff function, perfect for extended work in low-light conditions or dark workspaces. Despite its powerful performance, the drill is lightweight, weighing only 3.17 pounds. This reduces user fatigue during extended periods of use, making it comfortable to handle for prolonged projects. In conclusion, this model is a compact, powerful, and versatile cordless drill suitable for a wide range of applications. The second on our list is the Makita XPH10Z 18V LXT. The Makita 18V LXT is impressive for its combination of speed and torque in a compact design. This hammer driver drill is engineered for applications in wood, metal, masonry, and concrete, making it a versatile tool for various tasks around the house or on the job site. One of the key features is its variable 2-speed design, which ranges from 0 to 600 RPM to 0 to 1900 RPM. This flexibility allows you to cover a wide range of drilling, driving, and hammering applications, providing you with the control needed for different jobs. Whether you're drilling into wood or hammering into concrete, this drill can handle it all. The compact and ergonomic design, at only 7 to 0.75 inches long, ensures it's easy to handle and maneuver, especially in tight spaces. Weighing just 3.4 pounds with the battery, this drill is lightweight, reducing operator fatigue during prolonged use. The Makita-built 4-pole motor delivers 480 inch-pounds of maximum torque, providing the power you need to tackle tough materials. Additionally, the dual LED lights with afterglow feature illuminate your work area, ensuring you can see clearly even in low-light conditions. This is particularly useful for working in basements or dimly lit corners. The rubberized soft grip adds to the comfort during use, making it easier to hold and control. With all metal gears, the Makita XPH10Z is designed for increased durability, ensuring it can withstand rigorous use over time. It is compatible with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries that have a star symbol, although the battery is sold separately. In conclusion, the Makita 18V LXT is a versatile, durable, and powerful hammer driver drill suitable for a variety of applications. The third on our list is the Bosch PS31 2A 12V Max. This drill stands out for its premium performance-to-size ratio, making it a fantastic option for professionals who need a reliable yet lightweight tool. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, it is perfect for electricians, plumbers, and contractors who often work overhead or in tight spaces. One of the key features is its versatility. It boasts high torque and 2-speed settings, ranging from 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1300 RPM, allowing you to tackle a variety of materials such as drywall, wood, and metal. Precision is enhanced by 20+1 clutch settings, enabling you to make accurate torque adjustments for precise screw driving and drilling. Durability is another strong suit of this model. It comes with two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries, ensuring increased runtime and reducing the need for frequent recharges. This is particularly useful for extended projects where downtime can be a hassle. Moreover, the integrated LED lights provide improved visibility, allowing you to work in dark corners and low-light areas without any issues. Despite its lightweight design, it is powerful, delivering up to 265 inch-pounds of max torque. Its compact 7-inch head length makes it ideal for hard-to-maneuver tasks, fitting comfortably into tight spaces where larger drills cannot reach. The single-sleeve 3/8-inch 3-jaw chuck ensures a secure grip on bits, keeping them firmly in place during operation. In conclusion, this 12-volt max model is a compact, powerful, and versatile drill. The fourth on our list is the Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill. The Craftsman V20 cordless drill is notable for its balance of performance and convenience, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. This drill features a high-performance motor that produces 280 unit watts out, allowing you to tackle a range of applications with ease. A standout feature of the Craftsman V20 is its 2-speed gearbox, offering speeds of 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM. This range provides flexibility for different fastening tasks, whether you need precision at a lower speed or faster drilling for more demanding jobs. The half-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy, saving you time and effort on the job. The included 20V Max lithium battery is designed with high-performance cells, ensuring ample runtime and increased performance. This means you can work longer without needing frequent recharges. Additionally, the 20V Max lithium charger can fully recharge the battery in 60 minutes or less, minimizing downtime. One of the user-friendly features of this drill is the integrated LED light, which improves visibility in dark or poorly lit work areas. This is particularly useful for working in basements, attics, or during evening projects. The drill is also compatible with the VersaTrack hang hook, allowing for convenient storage and easy access. Weighing in at 4.4 pounds, the Craftsman V20 is sturdy yet manageable, providing a solid feel without being overly heavy. It comes in a red and black color scheme and includes a double-sided bit, enhancing its versatility straight out of the box. In conclusion, the Craftsman V20 cordless drill offers a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly experience. Its high-performance motor, flexible speed settings, and convenient features make it a great choice for both professional and home use. The last on our list is the Black & Decker 20V Matrix. This drill is designed with versatility and convenience in mind, making it an excellent choice for various DIY projects. One of its standout features is the Matrix Quick Connect system, which allows you to quickly and easily change out heads to complete your projects faster. This system is more cost-effective and space-saving compared to having multiple dedicated power tools. The Black & Decker 20V Matrix is powered by the Power Connect battery system. This means you can use the same 20V Max battery for multiple tools within the Black & Decker family, making it a flexible and economical choice for your DIY needs. The battery provides ample power with a maximum initial voltage of 20 volt. To prevent stripping and overdriving screws, this drill features 11 adjustable clutch settings. These settings allow you to deliver the right torque for various applications, ensuring a precise and professional finish. Additionally, the variable speed trigger helps you easily control your drilling or screw driving speed, giving you more accuracy and control over your work. Convenience is further enhanced with the magnetic bit holder, which provides a handy storage solution for your bits during projects. The tool also features a variable speed trigger, allowing for better speed control based on your needs. The 11-position clutch provides the right torque for different applications, making your tasks easier and more efficient. In conclusion, the Black & Decker 20-volt matrix is a versatile and user-friendly cordless drill. Its matrix quick connect system, power connect battery compatibility, and precision features like the adjustable clutch and variable speed trigger make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. And that ends our list of the best cordless drills. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Until next time, take care.